transfer printing. I absolutely adore this process. Now, first of all, what I like to do when you use your paints is to number them and then paint the number with the numbered paint, if that makes sense, onto a piece of paper, some nylon organza over some Everlon. If you print onto very thin fabrics, you will need to put a fabric underneath, because that's half the fun, really. And what I quite like this is that you can see the brush strokes through, where I've blushed fuchsia over the turquoise. This is on acetate satin, which I particularly love. You can just see the sheen there. And the great thing about working with the soldering iron, rather than a pair of scissors, is that you can get quite nice wiggly lines. And you might think, well, why tear up and distress a perfectly splendid print? Why? I just do it because I can, and I want to know what happens if.